Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery on this key fob for a Mazda 6 hatchback. This key fob was used between 2003 and 2005, and we will be changing the CR 2025 battery inside. This one's really easy to open. Just on the keychain, where the keychain is on the top, you'll see this indentation between the two halves of the plastic. Just take something like a flathead screwdriver, put it in the little indentation there, and give a twist, just like that. You can see we've already basically got it separated. You can go down the side, continue to twist to open it up. If you don't have a screwdriver on hand, you can open it with your fingers, just kind of by doing the same thing, but prying the two halves apart. You can see here, I've just separated it, and now the rest comes very easily. Inside, we've got our CR 2025 battery, and it's not going to come out very easily with your fingers. You can, however, put a little pressure on the bottom here where this red dot is, and it can pop right out. Just pressing right there. If it's a little bit tight for you and it's not coming out, a small instrument, just anything kind of thin to go in and push a little pressure, put a little pressure in there, it will come right out. And when you put in your new battery, slide it down like this first to get behind these two pieces of plastic, and then just push the top. Make sure it's in its place, and that's all it takes. And click it back together, make sure it's all good to go. And that's everything you need to know to change your battery for this Mazda 6 hatchback key fob. Thank you for watching.